Good afternoon, thank you for taking a look at our approved Audi S6 in Sepang Blue. This is a short video so you can get a bit of a closer look at the vehicle. Any further questions, my name is Tom. The telephone number is 01228 544 555. So the vehicle has got the twin spoke alloys on, which are all in immaculate condition. Do get the privacy glass in the rear windows. Parking sensors all round with the visual aid, and the electric tailgate, a touch of a button. Inside the boot you do have the fixing rails with movable clasps, and then you do have your push button to close the boot down. So to the interior of the vehicle, you do get the electric heated folding mirrors and the electric tailgate, memory driver seat with the electric movement on the side. They are full leather seats with the diamond stitching and the S6 logo on the back of the seats. To the interior of the vehicle has done just over 3,000 miles and has had one owner from new. On the multifunction steering wheel with the S6 logo, does control your main display in the centre, so you have things like your digital speedo, radio function, mobile phone, and then your satellite navigation with the ability to zoom in and out. Do have the manual paddle shift for when you do want to have a bit of fun, and cruise control. Do get the automatic lights and wipers. As I mentioned, you do get the sensors all around with the parking aid, which can be activated from a button just on here. Also on the screen you connect your MMI system, so you do have different functionalities, so things like your car modes, so the ability to change through what mode you'd like the vehicle to be in. Mobile phone connection, satellite navigation, again you can have it on either screen, either the sensor or in front of you in the steering wheel. Media player, radio, which does include Bluetooth, connection for your mobile, CD player. You do have USB connection in here with the wireless charging ports as well. Do get the dual zone climate control with heated front seats. Got your stop start button on the left here, and you've got your electric parking brake with hill hold assist. Auto dimming rear view mirror, and the seats are all diamond stitch in the back, so they do have the super sport seats there as well. Any further questions? Say my name is Tom, and the telephone number is 01228 544 555. Thank you.